Founded in 1983, Reid Packaging has long been an established and trusted manufacturer of crating and transport packaging solutions for equipment manufacturers, exporters, and military and government suppliers throughout the Southeast and the country. Our 60,000 square foot facility in North Atlanta is equipped with an assortment of precision tools carefully chosen to enable us to make complex one-off crates and boxes while also providing the capacity for high-volume production. To ensure reliability, we also maintain two of virtually every piece of critical equipment to enable us to maintain capacity, even when that inevitable breakdown happens. We simply move production to the other machine and keep going. Many of our technicians have been with us for decades and build each crate with the skills and attention to detail developed over those years. Our focus is on understanding the unique requirements of your item and creating reliable transport packaging that ensures a safe journey from your facility to the ultimate destination. We maintain an extensive inventory of dimensional lumber, plywood, corrugated, polyethylene and polyurethane foam sheets, vapor barrier materials, and desiccants. Everything we need to ensure your items are protected, not only from impact, but also from moisture or vibration. We also have teams of skilled technicians equipped to deliver our crates and packaging materials to your facility and professionally package your items on site quickly and efficiently. If you're looking for a packaging manufacturer you can be confident has the skills and capacity to reliably deliver your industrial transport crates and boxes, get in touch with Reid Packaging. We look forward to working with you.